Welcome to Kenzai Band Camp. Today we're talking about the triceps. The triceps are three little muscles right here on the back of your arm. When you straighten your arm, it pops out. Those are the triceps working. Triceps are a really important functional muscle because they're what extend your arm and extend your power away from you. So even something like opening a door, it's your triceps that are getting that door open. And you can see in all kinds of sports how important this action is. So the triceps are also a really important aesthetic muscle. You don't walk around town like this with your biceps showing. You walk around town like this, and you can see every time my arm swings, the triceps pop out. And when you see someone walking down the street with good triceps, you can't really put your finger on it, but you know, hey, that person looks like they're in good shape. It's all that triceps. This is a really important muscle. Now, using the resistance band for triceps work is a beautiful combination. The resistance band allows you to get pinpoint accuracy and isolation of that triceps. This is a really small muscle. It's hard to hit a small muscle like this with a big weight set, but with the resistance band, you can really dial it in. Let me show you some moves. First, let's take our band, put it around an anchor point at about mid-chest high. I'm gonna bend my knees and extend. You can see that my elbows are pinned to my side. They're not floating around like this. The elbows are stuck and the forearm is doing all that work there. The only thing that's working now is my triceps. Really excellent isolation. We call these ski jumper at Kenzai because it looks like you're ski jumping down a hill. You can take that same idea with a high anchor point and hit the triceps from a slightly different angle with the triceps pull down. Same idea. My elbows aren't moving, the triceps are working in isolation. Extremely effective. Now for both the ski jumper and the pull down, you could change grips. So from this grip, I could go to this grip. You're hitting at a slightly different angle. You can also do a hammer grip. Slightly different angle on the triceps. Working these different angles is what gives you tone and definition. Let's say you don't have an anchor point and you want to do a freestanding triceps exercise. You're going to want to switch to a lighter band because this is a tough one. We call these katanas. I step on the band here with one foot, step through, draw the hands up behind me with the elbows pointing up to the ceiling. From here, boom, extend up. That's just triceps working hard. We call these katanas because it looks like you're pulling out a samurai katana from your back. Shing, all right. Very effective. Even just doing, what, 4 or 5 reps just now, I could really feel that starting to work. So, triceps and resistance bands, a match made in heaven.